Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your business address in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account in your computer, and after that you guys will get on this top right corner and then select account settings. So guys, on your left you guys can see this option called business information. Now select on this and now select on this update button. Now select on this edit button, and if you scroll down a little bit you guys can see this category called business address, and here you can change your business address whichever you like. And then after changing your address you guys can see a save button on the bottom of this screen, and after selecting on that save button you guys have successfully changed your business address in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.